tenses are used to describe actions or events that have been completed or perfected. They are formed by using the auxiliary verbs have or has and the past participle of the verb. The past participle is formed by adding get to the end of regular verbs. For irregular verbs, the past participle form is irregular. Present perfect. The present perfect tense is used to describe actions or events that have happened in the past but have a connection to the present. The present perfect tense is formed by using the present tense of the auxiliary verb have and the past participle of the verb. Examples: I have been to the movies. She has eaten lunch. The cat has chased the mouse. The children have played in the park. She has read a book. He has watched TV. We have eaten lunch. You have talked on the phone. They have worked in the garden. The dog has barked. The car has moved. The plane has taken off. Additional points. The present perfect tense is often used to describe actions that have happened recently or recently. It can also be used to describe actions that have happened for a period of time and are still ongoing. For example, I have been learning English for 5 years. Past perfect. The past perfect tense is used to describe actions or events that happened in the past before another action or event in the past. The past perfect tense is formed by using the past tense of the auxiliary verb have and the past participle of the verb. Examples: I had eaten lunch before I went to the movies. She had read a book before she went to sleep. The cat had chased the mouse before it ran away. The children had played in the park before it started to rain. He had watched TV before he went to bed. We had eaten lunch before we went to the store. You had talked on the phone before you went to class. They had worked in the garden before they went home. The dog had barked before it ran away. The car had moved before it stopped. The plane had taken off before it crashed. Additional points. The past perfect tense is often used to describe events that happened before a specific time in the past. For example, I had eaten lunch before 12 p.m. Future perfect. The future perfect tense is used to describe actions or events that will have been completed by a certain time in the future. The future perfect tense is formed by using the future tense of the auxiliary verb, have, and the past participle of the verb. Examples: I will have been to the movies by tomorrow. She will have eaten lunch by the time you get home. The cat will have chased the mouse by the time I come back. The children will have played in the park by the time it starts to rain. He will have watched TV by the time you call. We will have eaten lunch by the time we go to the store. You will have talked on the phone by the time we get there. They will have worked in the garden by the time we come home. The dog will have barked by the time we open the door. The car will have moved by the time we get to the airport. The plane will have taken off by the time we arrive. Additional points. The future perfect tense is often used to describe actions or events that will be completed before a specific time in the future. For example, I will have been to the movies by 12 p.m. tomorrow. I hope this explanation is more detailed and helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching this English lesson. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. To continue your English learning journey, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can also like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you again for watching.